Window Replacement Barton Creek TX is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Austin Window Services offer a range of options, including double-pane windows and custom windows, to meet the diverse needs of residents in Barton Creek and beyond. Energy-efficient windows in Austin are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. These windows, including double-pane windows in Barton Creek, provide superior insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Window insulation in Austin TX is a key factor in maintaining a consistent indoor temperature, making it a popular choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Custom windows in Austin TX allow homeowners to personalize their window design to match their unique style and preferences. Whether you're looking for vinyl window replacement Barton Creek TX or other materials, window contractors in Austin TX can provide tailored solutions to fit any architectural style. Window replacement in Austin, Texas is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. From window frame replacement in Austin to window glass replacement in Barton Creek, professional window experts in Barton Creek offer comprehensive residential window services to address any issues promptly. Window sealing in Barton Creek TX is a critical component of window maintenance in Austin, Texas. Proper sealing prevents drafts and moisture infiltration, ensuring your windows remain energy efficient and durable. Window caulking in Austin is another important service that enhances the performance of your windows. Window upgrades in Barton Creek can significantly improve the value and comfort of your home. By investing in modern window solutions in Austin, TX, such as window tinting in Barton Creek, you can enhance privacy, reduce glare, and protect your interiors from harmful UV rays. Window design in Austin is an art that combines functionality with aesthetics. With a variety of window styles in Barton Creek to choose from, homeowners can find the perfect match for their home's architecture. Window fitting in Austin ensures that each window is installed with precision and care. Window glazing in Barton Creek TX is a specialized service that enhances the thermal performance of your windows. By choosing the right glazing options, you can improve energy efficiency and reduce noise pollution, making your home a more comfortable and peaceful environment. Window screens in Barton Creek TX are a practical addition to any home, providing protection against insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Window maintenance in Austin, Texas includes regular cleaning and inspection of screens to ensure they remain in optimal condition. Window hardware is an often overlooked aspect of window installation in Austin, Texas. High-quality hardware ensures smooth operation and enhances the security of your windows. Window contractors in Austin TX can recommend the best hardware options for your specific needs. Residential window replacement. Barton Creek TX is a valuable investment for homeowners looking to improve their property's curb appeal and energy efficiency. With a wide range of window solutions in Austin TX, you can find the perfect replacement windows to suit your style and budget.